Sometimes it might be quite difficult to thread a yarn needle with a thick yarn, and you find it difficult for it to pass through the yarn. So let's use these three methods. First, even out the yarn tip. In your first method, we're going to use a piece of paper. Make sure you cut your paper and it can pass through the eye of the needle easily. Unfold and put your yarn tip in the middle. Wrap, making sure that you don't have any part of the yarn sticking out. Now pass your piece of paper through the eye of the needle. There you go. Your first method is done. It's as simple as ABC. Second method, we'll be using a piece of either thread or a smaller, thinner yarn and fold it in half and pass it through the eye of the needle, having one loop on one side and the legs on the other side. Pass your thick yarn through the loop, pull through the eye of the needle, give it a bit of a tug, pull. You can do it. That's it. It is that easy. So simple. There you go. Your third method, this is if you don't have any piece of paper or anything at hand to use. So you split the yarn into two and you work it into the eye of the needle piece by piece. If you have a needle threader, it can make it a lot easier also for you. That is similar to the second method that we've used. So thank you. We're always glad to have you. We're always glad to have you on Asda Raw Crochet. We want you to remain blessed, happy, and in good health. Till we see you soon, just round the corner. Okay, bye bye for now. Bye.